Hey everyone, today we are diving into all exciting details of Ed Westwick and Amy Jackson's stunning Italian wedding. From limousine-filled celebration to a bit of chaos, this wedding was nothing short of epic. Let's get into it. After trying the knot during a small civil ceremony at the Connaught Hotel in London on August 9, the gossip girl LM37 and the actress 32 said, "I do for a second time on Saturday, August 24, in a destination wedding in Italy." The couple invited 220 guests who traveled from US, India and various parts of Europe to join them for a three-long celebration on the Amalfi Coast. Jackson tells people the picturesque region was the perfect place to host their nuptials, stating its timeless love and vintage charm. "We wanted a wedding spot that was not only naturally beautiful, surrounded by the ocean, hills and vineyards, but also unique, and we found just that," the Supergirl star adds. Guests including Westwick former Gossip Girl co-star Kelly Rutherford, model and actress Daisy Lowy, comedian and actor Jack Whitehall and his partner Roxy Honor, film producer Muhammad Ali Turki and cosmetics module Dr. Barbara Sturm. The festivities kick off on Friday, August 23 with a sunset cruise on the monorail Patrizia. We sail along the coastline of Ravello, Positano and Sorrento and then anchor at Capri for a dip in the sea as the sun sets behind the Ferraglino rocks, says Jackson. Looking to capture the nostalgic glamour of Capri golden era, the cruise featured blue and white decor and live Italian music. The couple and their guests sip on Bellini's and enjoy a menu of Neapolitan-inspired sushi. To infuse a sense of home into their special day, they filed a 16th century venue with flower arrangements and other flora with help from Federica Sottili of the Learned Flower. After the ceremony, everyone put on slippers and paraded around the castle walls, led by flag bearers and musicians. There was limousine dancing, singing and total organized chaos, the actress joked. And that's a wrap on Ed Westwick and Amy Jackson's unforgettable Italian wedding. What was your favorite part of their big day? Let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more celeb updates. See you in the next video. Take care and all the best.